Hello everyone, and welcome to Harper TV. Today I'm giving a review about Papusha Rocket Technology ICO. Papusha Rocket Technology ICO coming soon, the world's first rocket and space technology to produce fuel by using fuel residues from refineries, offered by Anatoly Papusha, the academician of the Russian Academy of Natural Sciences who developed the Buran program. ICO starts on closed private sale, June 1 to August 22. ICO, August 22 to October 22. 1 ETH equals 3,500 Prt by Prt. Send a request to participate in the closed round of sales. Send a request. Social networks: Twitter, Facebook, Telegram, YouTube, Instagram, Bitcoin Talk, Steemit, Reddit. MVP project Prt I. The Prt I unit is not only a world-recognized, have patents and was developed. It is a working MVP product, which fulfilled dozens of tasks and proved his right to exist. The process of putting tar into the torch of transonic combustion, at which the oil is converted to synth gas, speed approximately 1000 meters per second, temperature less than 2000 degrees Celsius. Project partners: mass media about Papusha ICO. Project Papusha Rocket ICO is the latest technology to destroy oil refineries residues around the world. Instead of destroying flora and fauna, refineries get gasoline and diesel fuel for selling. Prt ICO produces small-capacity oil refining units to process black oil fuel and produce liquid fuel by using the transonic combustion technology. Everyday refineries worldwide generate 1.35 million tons of residues. Depending on its capacity, one Prt II unit processes 30 to 90 tons of waste per day. The market requires dozens of thousands of Prt II units. It is important to mention that it goes about recycling of new residues only, which allows not to cause additional pollution of our planet. Processing of the accumulated deposits and lakes requires the volume that is several times higher than this. And this video about Papusha Rocket Technology ICO. Author: Anatoly Papusha, the leading specialist in the rocket and space industry. He has worked in main branch companies for more than 50 years. Director of the Department of Ecology of the International Fund of Slavic Culture and Writing. Doctor of Technical Sciences. Academician of the Russian Academy of Natural Sciences (RANS). Laureate of the USSR State Prize. Papusha AI is one of the brightest representatives of the legendary USSR National School of the rocket and space industry, as well as a student and follower of the brilliant engine developer for spacecraft VP Glushko. During the development of the Soviet space program, Energia Buran, an engine was created, which burns 10 tons of fuel for 10 seconds. Testing of the engine was very dangerous for the entire Moscow region ecology. Papusha AI created a unique complex, which was built in Khimki, Moscow area. This complex allowed to fully neutralize harmful emissions and to test the created engine near the development site. The transonic combustion innovation had been applied for the first time for the utilization of the combustion products from a large rocket engine. Further innovation progress has opened prospects for solving the most urgent environmental problems. This technology is included in the list of UNEP survey of currently available non-incineration PCB destruction technologies, first issue. August 2000, under the name of the author of Papusha Rocket Technology, PRT. Basic Module in Kimchi. Market problems. In the oil industry market, oil refineries are surrounded by storages and lakes with useless black mass which pollute the planet. Such use of black gold is unacceptable. Such use of black gold is unacceptable. This will lead to the ecological disaster for the next 100 years. We cannot let it happen. Worldwide production of PRT installations opens the possibility for investors to enter into the development of a new super profitable business. The installation will help to solve the problem of negative industrial impact on the environment. Prt installation will help to establish waste-free production at the oil refining and oil production sites. Cons of analogues of PRT installation: high cost, tens of millions, low efficiency, complexity in operation, long payback period. Advantages of the PRT installation: efficiency. Compact PRT units allow to receive up to 60% of liquid fuel from the total processed mass. Cost. The cost of PRT installation is about $2 millions. Payback. Payback is just 1 year. How does it work? Countries and companies engaged in refining will receive the following advantages using the Papusha rocket technology: obtain liquid goods from unused raw materials, environment improvement, highly efficient processing of heavy oil, etc. Photo of the operating pilot plant in Dolgoprudny, Moscow region. Dolgoprudny, Moscow region. International patents for invention. Prt Papusha Rocket Technology Token. Token sale details. Private sale 1/6/2018 to 22/8/2018. ICO 22/8/2018 to 22/10/2018. Token name Prt Papusha Rocket Technology Token. Blockchain Ethereum. Standard ERC20. Hard cap 13,500 ETH. Total amount of tokens 100 million. Available for sale 75%. Price per token, 1 ETH equals 3,500 Prt. Unsold tokens will be burned. Prt tokens allocation 75%, team 18%, 2% bounty. Advisors 5%. Buying Prt tokens, you save the planet. And furthermore, your investments will see a great return. You receive all the benefits and possibilities of Prt token holders. Ever-rising environmental requirements underscore the urgency of our development. Our profitable token economy allows investors to get profit from the real sector of the economy. It should be noted that profit of the project is formed not only by the implementation of installations. Customers can also rent a Prt2 installation or benefit from its sharing. 2015-2019 Workflow Chart for Papusha ICO. 2015-2016 Q1 Q4 Start of scientific research. Q1 Q4 Start of scientific calculations for the processing of oil products. Successful completion of trial test, further modification and improvement of the technology. Successful trial test of the unit at the Dolgopradny basic module. Further modification and improvement of the technology. 2017 Q1 Q4 active phase of business planning. Q1 Q4 completion of calculations, systematization of the results, team of scientists selection and staff recruitment, preparation of a business plan, search for partners, negotiations with refineries, meeting with Chinese investors. 2018 Q1 Q4 preparations for starting the project. Q1 Q4 start of development of documentation for the website, development of logo and corporate style of the project, development of marketing strategy, Papusha.io website design development, forming a working team, design and programming of the investor's account V1, writing a smart contract, testing, auditing, bug fixing, launching of the Papusha.io website and investor's personal account lk.papusha.io, enabling the feature of purchasing PRT tokens for BTC in the personal account, writing and design of white paper, technical paper, one-pager, presentations and other documentation, launching social networks, technical support development, preparation and launch of an advertising campaign. 2018 Q3 Q4 ICO prototyping of Prt II Q3 Q4 translation of the website and all documentation into English, Vietnamese and Chinese. Conducting a private round of private sales of the PRT token. Launching bounty campaign, advertising campaign, attracting seed investments and key investors. Conducting ICO. Lease of industrial and administrative premises, hiring of scientists and staff. Development of design and engineering documentation with the release of detailed drawings of special driven equipment of Prt II. Development and selection of methods and regimes of supply of initial components, selection of standard equipment ensuring stable process flow. Development of methods and modes of synthesis of processed products. Development of Prt II process control and monitoring systems. Manufacturing of special driven equipment of Prt II. Prt token output to the exchanges. Start of the Prt II pilot prototype manufacturing. 2019 Q1 installation, testing, certification, expert examination. Q1 installation and commissioning of Prt II. Operational test of Prt II. Optimization of best performance modes and stable process. Correction of technical, design and operational documentation. Certification of equipment, conducting necessary expert examinations. Patenting, preparation and holding of negotiations with refineries of different countries. 2019 Q2 Q3 start of batch production, first sales, redemption of tokens. Q2 Q3 demonstration of Prt II to potential buyers. Launch of batch production of Prt II units. Manufacturing of 10 Prt II units. Organization of sales department, marketing department, personnel training, start of sales. Beginning of Prt tokens redemption. 2019 Q4 improvement of Prt II, expansion of sales market. Q4 start of construction of the manufacturing complex. Creation and development of additional equipment for processing low-grade coals into liquid motor fuel. Creation of equipment for power generation based on Prt II. Manufacturing of 50 Prt II units. Start of active phase of the development and manufacture of a sea-based module based on PRT unit designed for production of gas from hydromethane. Team of developers and scientists. Main developer and scientist Papusha ICO, Anatoly Papusha. Project author and developer, Doctor of Technical Sciences, Professor. Laureate of the State Prize of the USSR, Academician of the Russian Academy of Natural Sciences, Academician of the Russian Academy of Cosmonautics, Academician of the Russian Ecological Academy. Academician of the Academy of Geopolitical Problems. Igor A. Papusha, Vladimir V. Davydenko, Igor Klimov, Valery S. Petrosyan. Advisors: Angelila, Navyan Kapoor, Petr Myachin, Andrei Lapato, Maxim Mishchenko, Yuri P. Grigoyev, Mikhail Ya, Lumshev. Mass media about AI, Papusha and PRT technologies. And FAQ. What is Prt ICO? This is a project on creating small units to obtain valuable raw materials from oil refining residues. The units are manufactured on the basis of the patented Unique One rocket and space technology. Why was it decided to raise investments by using an ICO? Why is there no mass production of the unit? Why are we trustworthy? Where can I see the unit? How to participate in ICO? What are early investors' bonuses?